Hi, my name is Kelly Grindrod and I'm a practicing pharmacist with a focus on community medicine. I'm also an assistant professor at the University of Waterloo School of Pharmacy. Today, I'll be answering some of your questions. How can I make vaccination easier for my baby or young child? So I have kids and I've had to go through those vaccinations and it can be so traumatic and terrible. I completely understand. The thing is though, we really do want to protect our kids against those serious illnesses like measles and mumps and polio. So vaccines are important, but the question is, how do you make that a less traumatic experience for not only your kids, but yourself? Now, the number one thing that I do that I find works really well is I use numbing patches. You can go to a pharmacy and you can buy these boxes of numbing patches that you put on your child's skin where they're going to get the vaccine, and it numbs the area so that when they get the vaccine, they don't feel it. All you have to do is find out where the vaccine is going to go in, whether it's on their thigh, which is typical of babies, or on their shoulder, which is typical of older kids. You put that patch on about a half an hour to an hour before the appointment, and when the nurse or doctor vaccinates, the child actually doesn't feel it. It's great. Other things that you can do if you don't have the patches or don't want to use them, if the child's getting a vaccine, say in the upper arm, you can rub the lower arm before, during, and after. Similarly, if they're getting a vaccination in the upper leg, you can rub the lower leg before, during, and after. You can also distract them with things like video games, have them blow bubbles. So bringing along a small thing of bubbles and using that in the physician's office is a great idea to help them feel better. If you want more information, an excellent website is immunize.ca. We'll post a link and there are great infographics there that show parents how to use some of these techniques to reduce that discomfort associated with vaccines.